Pressure Club.
I just had a conversation with Damon Pope. He assures me these attacks aren't him, which means we ain't the cause.
Why would you be sitting down with Pope?
Let's just say we've reached an understanding. One that stops getting people killed. Why don't we consider the same thing? Help each other find these scumbags that are shitting on our town.
First answer, now the MC. Just a few brothers working together, huh?
I can't imagine how much pain you're in right now. But we ain't the cause. Please let me know if I can help. And don't do this again.